What's good, y'all? Today we are reacting to a Millie Intense When We Run versus the Human Clamp. Let's get into it.
When you're touching down, because playoffs start the 20th.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, we play the 19th, so I can definitely, I'll definitely be able to make that one. Just inspired because the Drew League is such a big opportunity.
He knows his role. He knows what he needs to do. I said he's a bona fide shooter. He's a good kid. That's why we went after him.
Appreciate it. I need to get prepared for this trip.
We're definitely going to need some shooters for another stretch run.
What is he using?
I want to get some work in, and I need to find somebody that's super physical, that's a specimen.
Hey.
Somebody that's gonna give me a tough time. Somebody that's not gonna back down.
Damn.
Somebody that's gonna push me to the limit. Yo, Tim, you trying to play ones?
We're out here getting some work in, man. We're playing the West Coast squad on the 19th. A lot of y'all know
I like
that.
the anticipation
I'm getting ready
of this
for the
video.
Drew League again, playoffs. So we got a big trip coming up. I want to get prepared. I got somebody that's kind of good at defense. So we're going to play some ones. Game to 21, 3 dribbles. Let's get it.
Game of 21, 3 dribbles. Okay, cool.
0-0. Yeah. Don't care about your chain.
All right.
He look like he already been,
Oh, he's off now.
playing. He's on study already.
Oh, that's tough. Oh! Yeah. Long.
His hops.
Let's go.
Crazy. Both of them. 3. Gotta make that.
2.
Good shot.
Got him flying.
I like his shoes. Orange, black.
Ah. Yes, sir.
Wow.
There it goes.
4. I like his shoes too, with the white.
Austin
Damn.
knows.
You gotta take that chain off.
Want it?
Yeah, you gotta
Chain's
take that
coming
chain
off.
off. Like I said, because he ain't gonna be able to play how you want to
Oh,
play.
man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Intimidated badge.
Human clamp is activated. I need to. Oh!
There we go.
No.
He more of a lockdown defender with like
0.
70% shooting. 70% overall.
Come on! Give me
Still
one
4
break.
to 0.
Bucket's a bucket. There we go.
Oh,
Good shot.
gave him a rhythm. Waited too long. Shoot it again.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, he's off rhythm. No, this did not just roll in, bro.
Good shot.
3 in a row, Slim.
So he's a shooter now. Okay, cool.
3 in a row. 6. Yeah,
Play the defense.
he gotta respect him.
Play the defense.
He gotta get close.
Try to go to the
Be
right.
tough with you. Be tough
He
with
could
you.
just-
Nah, it's too deep. Heck no, bro.
8.
That is not real.
Damn. 4 in a row. He took. See,
I
this
don't
is what
believe
happened.
it. I don't.
He took the chain off and got comfortable. It's over.
Believe it.
I don't know who I got.
I gotta be dreaming.
I don't know who I got.
I gotta be. Let me wake up. 10 bounces. Yeah, don't even shoot it. Let's go. Woke me up now.
What score?
Gotcha.
good move.
He
Look at
woke me up.
patience.
Woke me up.
6'8".
8-6. Let's go. Wait.
I hate it.
One. Chill. Woo! Chill. Human clamp. He woke me up.
What score?
8-7. I'm in there now.
He said, what
Stop.
the heck?
He in his little bag.
That little bag.
That little bag.
Let's
You
go.
see, you gotta guard me out
Let's
here
go,
like
strong
on the
man.
scooter? Like on the scooter?
Let's go, strong.
All you gotta do is beat him to the quick first
Rip
step.
through.
Cause he already playing too close.
That's weights. That's not you.
He can shoot that.
I'm just not getting good shots now.
All right, Team William.
8-7.
Yes. 8-7. Oh shit. Give me. That was too easy. 9-7.
Let's finish them off.
Ooh. You're not me. I need a halftime ASAP. Holy cow.
7-9.
Yeah, I need it. Hey, halftime at 10? Halftime at 10? Yeah, hell Off guard! Let's go.
8. Got him right there. He got him right there.
10. Or 8, 9.
He was in the air. He was out. Air.
Halftime. Oh! I'm gonna push myself. I'm gonna guard you right here.
All right, that's about it.
Yeah.
I can shoot it out here.
At the logo, I'm cool with that. I'm so cool with that.
Let me play you a little left.
Let me see.
Let me play you a little left.
Oh, yep. Oh, keep on that. Oh. Tough shot. Ah. What'd you say?
Playing that with us.
All right. That. Oh.
That's in.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Bro, 21 is no joke.
He is done.
All right, 10.
Edit. Let's get it.
10-9?
10-9.
There. This guy. This guy. Win by 2.
1 by 2.
Yeah.
Slim, this one for you, all right?
I just don't believe in that.
You don't?
Not really. It's a little hesitant. Yep. Look, reverse psychology right there. Oh.
Yeah. He jumped
Need
before
some
the
feet
time.
over here, Slim. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, we need a lot of feet over here.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Oh, this guy.
He finesses
This
so he
guy.
can get his energy back.
Nah. You just caught a break. Oh. Tough.
Not this time.
Yep.
That's
Class. Get in. 10 up. Let's go. Let's go on the run. Every time. I want to cry. Oh, your ball.
That's
Psych.
it. Good dude.
Yeah, that's good, dude. Ah! Scared him.
He's like, ah! Oh, got him again. He got him again. He should have made
Is
that
that
though.
goaltending?
Your ball, no point. Your ball, no point.
I'll take it.
We count. 11, 10.
Count it? No, I don't want that. I don't want that.
That's one.
That's awful.
I think I shoot for his game.
Not that way. Not
If
that way.
take a moment to like the video for me. Yeah, take a minute to like this video for me. It's greatly appreciated. Because, you know, it's hard reacting to videos. Like, it's not, but, like, it's gonna play.
Slim, what should I do? What should I do, Slim? Talk to me. What's working? What should I do? What?
Stay over there, bro.
Get away, Tim. Coach me up, Slim. What should I do?
This is man with the hardest heavy ever. At the
Okay.
top with you. Hello, you gonna shoot. You know how you be doing me with the little...
Yeah, stutter step, hezzy. Glitch.
You gonna fall for it. It's like you have to.
Okay, should I pull up afterwards? Go to the basket? Bet. Let's go. 10,
Dumb
10.
hezzies.
10, 10.
Oh, yeah.
I had him, Slim. He's living out there.
I'm living.
Yeah.
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 Listen.
Told you I'm sending you that way. I'm sending you that way.
That's good move. Damn. That's because he's tired.
Bro.
Backboard.
Good shot.
Good
Almost
shot.
got
It's
up
hard
under.
for you. Just 3 dribbles. Good move.
We'll take it. You got a little mixed up there. Oh, okay, just checking. Two. Is that a 2? Another one.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Good shot.
15-11. He's quiet.
So as of now, I am going to predict who is going to win. I think a Millie got it. I'm going with a Millie.
We got space.
Good shot.
Ah. Jeez. Oh, please don't make that. Please get out, yes.
He said.
16, 14.
This layup package, like it belongs to 2K. Or is in 2K.
Take it. Oh. I have no words. I have no words. Where are you going? Get out, yes. Ha. Bucket. Woo! 18. Can't make a layup, but I can make that. Oh. Oh. What was that?
That's cool.
Oh gosh. Yeah? Yeah?
That's one.
2! On your head! 2! 1? Alright. Alright. 19. 19, 17. You're about to lose. I'm trying to piss him off.
Get you. Yeah, he is. She said you're about to lose.
Let's go. Let's go. Need the best defense you got. Good D! Get off the court. Oh!
All right, guys. So the battery to the camera died, and then we recorded the rest of the game with the phone, but the file corrupted on the phone for some reason. It's not letting me put it in Final Cut. So, anyways, Tim hit 2 logo threes in a row and ended up winning the game 21-19. Shout out to my guy Tim for that one-on-one. I'm definitely going to be playing him more often, on and off camera probably, just because he's a really tough matchup for anybody, and it's exactly what I need. Playing against that physicality is kind of unmatched. He's dude is a beast.
Oh wow, damn! I said he was gonna win. Then this doesn't count. This does not count. We did not see the end because the camera died. Well, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the comments down below to see what videos you want me to react to, and make sure you hit the like button on the side to help me with the algorithm to get me out there more. So much love, deuces.